Welcome to the powerful world of Daintree EZ Connect. Here's how to commission your devices so you can wirelessly interface with the Daintree app on your iPhone. Step 1. Add new room so you'll be able to control all the lights in a specific space. When you're done, they'll all act together according to the parameters you set. Touch the plus, name your room, and set the channel. Touch Done. Channels 15, 20, 25, and 26 are preferred to minimize signal conflict. Different room networks can be on the same channel. In Step 2, you'll add nodes to the room. Nodes are fixtures with embedded EZ Connect sensors or fixtures connected to an EZ Connect accessory kit. Choose Plus to add nodes. One light fixture in your room will blink. This first commissioned device is considered the master for this room. Touch the Yes to commission the fixture. A second fixture blinks. Choose Yes to commission the fixture. A third fixture blinks. Choose Yes to commission the fixture. A fourth fixture blinks. Choose Yes to commission the fixture. The process continues until all the fixtures in your room are recognized. There are a maximum of 30 nodes per room, but the system can accommodate thousands of room networks. If you have not discovered all the devices you want to include in a group, you can choose Add More. When the room is large, some of them may be out of range. Walk across the space and the app will recognize them. When all the devices are selected, choose OK. Choose Group Profile Configuration, where you can determine the timing, levels, and specific functionality of your grouped devices. It's all customizable based on the needs of your room and your particular requirements. You're on your way to all the energy and money-saving benefits of Daintree EZ Connect.